Hella fat. How you doing, chat? Oh, misclick. Oh, what a misclick. That's so embarrassing. Oh, that's so embarrassing. I'm about to get pressed hard. I'm literally fucking walking. Fuck this shit. I just pissed on some bitch's doorstep. She pressed me hard as fuck. I still gotta finish my piss.